Guys, this is the part 1. Actually, today I have two vlog. The other one is me vlogging the Carabao Smith, drying the Carabao Smith, and then the other one is this, which is today I will go and get some small bananas to make them as seedlings. So my brother have my brother needs at least 20 seedlings of bananas. And speaking of bananas, not just any kind of bananas, because bananas have different family. So I'll go and look for the specific banana that my brother needs. So guys, I'll update you later on. And actually later, a while ago, I already got 3 seedlings a while ago. And actually today it must be I have 3 vlogs, but the drone battery of the drone was what do you call that, low battery. It was low bat, so I need to charge it and put the other batteries in it. So before I vlog in the drone, I think I need to vlog first this getting a banana seedlings. So we will pick, because there are many bananas here, but different kind of bananas. So my brother wants the, what do we call this, what we call in our barangay, the native banana. What we call in our barangay, what we call it as native bananas. That's what my brother is looking. So I need at least 20 seedlings of native bananas. So guys, actually this 2 is already good, but let's go and see the other part first.